Alright, here we are for 13, and you got kind of the completed one up in the upper left, and the lower right is what you started with. So it's just an exercise in following directions. So how well you can do that. Draw BF and DE. That's how you were instructed. BF and DE. Okay, so that just means connect those two. This is really hard to do on this tablet, but we'll see if I can get something. Well, let's try it again. So anyway, this is what you're doing. You're drawing it, and then also BF right here. Just they're having you practice perpendicular bisectors. Okay. So those two blue lines, you are using your straight edge and compass to bisect these two line segments. Use the letter M to label the midpoint BF, the letter N for the midpoint of DE. Alright, so it's kind of hard to tell with all of this stuff here, but remember how we do these perpendicular bisectors. Sharp point on one of the endpoints, the line segment, and then make an arc, and then sharp point on the other one, and make another arc, and then you do your bisector, and that's this one right here. I'm not going to write the whole thing there. Okay, so then you do the same thing with the other. So remember that perpendicular bisector. Here it is. We're bisecting now this one. I'm sorry. This one, I mean. Right? And then, so you take your sharp point on B, arc out here, arc up here, sharp point on F, arc here, and arc here. You see their intersection points, and that's where the other line, or perpendicular bisector, is made. And then it just gives you instructions. You use the letter M to label the midpoint of BF. You see that is right here, and N for the midpoint of DE. Alright, so there you have it. Now, if you need a little bit of review about how to do those bisections, remember that we had a pretty extensive one in the video, and that's on the Moodle site here for 1-4. We went over those in quite some detail. So if you're not sure about that, look at that video again, and I think you'll get it. All right. We got one more left. See you in there.